Hey there, fellow YouTubers. Are you struggling to grow your channel and reach more viewers? Well, fear not. Today, I'm going to share with you 3 tips about VIDIQ, a powerful tool that can help you take your YouTube game to the next level. Tip number 1, keyword research is king. Did you know that VIDIQ can help you research the best keywords for your video titles and descriptions? By using the Keyword Explorer feature, you can find the most relevant and high-ranking keywords for your niche. This will help your videos show up higher in YouTube search results, which means more views and subscribers for your channel. Tip number 2, analyze your competition. Another great feature of VIDIQ is the ability to analyze your competitors' videos. With the Competitors tab, you can see which videos are performing well in your niche and learn from their success. This can help you create more effective content and stay ahead of the game. Tip number 3, stay on top of your analytics. VIDIQ can help you stay on top of your analytics and track your progress over time. With the Channel Audit feature, you can see which videos are performing best, which ones need improvement, and what your audience demographics look like. This will help you make informed decisions about your content strategy and ensure that you're always moving forward. And there you have it, folks. 3 tips about VIDIQ that can help you take your YouTube channel to the next level. So what are you waiting for? Give it a try and see the difference it can make for your channel.